go. Hello everybody and welcome to this channel, How to eBay with Capria. I was photographing and I thought I'd stop and let you guys know how I do that. So here is the layout of how I get my items photographed and listed. The first thing I do is grab all the inventory I plan on listing and I organize them in a pile. So that's what you see right here. Tags and everything still on the item. Next, I have this poster board that I got from the dollar store. Actually, it's 2 pieces. I just placed a piece of tape in the middle, like shipping tape. You probably can't see it, it's right there, just to hold them closer together to make a larger board. I haven't gone out yet to get a board, so that's what I'm using for now. I remove the tag and place the item directly in the middle. So this right here, bam, will actually be the cover shot for my item. So I go ahead, get this photographed. I do the cover shot, front, the tags, the back of the item, and then I do the photograph with the measurements of lengthwise. That's why I have the measuring tape over here. Then on this side, I have a pile of clear poly mailers that I got from either eBay or Amazon. If I can find it, I'll link it below in the description box. But with this pile of bags, I take and bag all the photographed inventory. So I'll fold them up, place them in the bags here, and I keep the tags on of how much I originally paid for the item. I do grab inventory from my house or retail arbitrage. So because I don't have a software system or a spreadsheet yet for my profit and gain, I like to keep the tags of the original price here, and I'll write on it. Let's see, I'm gonna show you an example. I'll write what they sold for, like that. As you can see, I had a Free People top. I bought it for 4, I sold it for 20. That's an example of it. So I just keep those for now. Eventually one day I'll go in, I'll create a spreadsheet for just to keep better track of what I'm gaining. But that's it. That is a quick overview of my photo process. I take all my photos on my iPhone. I have the 11, but either iPhone will work. As long as you have one, you can photograph and list on eBay. Thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Check back anytime next week for a new video on how to do more on eBay. Thanks for watching.